Hi guys, I have prepared this tutorial for users those who are using AutoCAD for the first time. So if this is, welcome to our channel Unbox Pioneer. I hope you all will learn something better here. My name is Navin Patro and I am using the AutoCAD version 2013. As you can see, it is mentioned clearly here that AutoCAD 2013. However, if you have another version, this will not be a problem because different version can change a bit the layout, or the newest one have more features. Except this, all the basics and the main things are mostly the same. So let's start with this tutorial with some basics. First of all, what is CAD? CAD means computer aided design, by which we can create a model as for the requirement by the help of computer aided design. Now, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a drawing software package developed by the company Autodesk. It is one of the most widely used software for creating drawing easily and quickly. AutoCAD is a semi-parametric, command-based, low-end, non-associative and best drafting software. Now let us know what is semi-parametric means. It means the parameters can be modified up to certain limits. What is drafting? It is the skeleton representation of an object on a paper with perfect geometrical dimension and tolerance. So these are some drafting and semi-parametric topics. Now let's talk about some advantages and disadvantages of AutoCAD. Let's begin with some advantages of AutoCAD. First of all, it is for easy communication and drawing sharing. Second is it is for easy modification. Third is more accurate product. Fourth one is reduce the time and manpower around 50%. Last one is running cost is low compared to others. So these are the advantages as we discussed. Now let's talk about some disadvantages. Disadvantages of AutoCAD: huge investment and getting a skilled manpower difficult and want to pay more money. So these all are the advantages and disadvantages of AutoCAD. Next is what are the hardware requirements, or we can say what are the system requirements to run AutoCAD. So let's begin. Hardware and system requirements. OS, it means operating system, must be Windows XP Service Pack 2 onwards. Processor must be Pentium 4 onward. RAM must be 256 MB and more. Graphic card should support 1024 x 768 VGA. To take out print of the design, you must need a printer or plotter. Let's talk about some functional keys, shortcut keys used in AutoCAD. First of all, let us discuss the functional keys. F1, function key 1, it is used for AutoCAD helpline. Now let's talk about the function key 2, it is used for AutoCAD command window. F3, function key 3, used for OSnap on or off. OSnap means object snapping. F4, function key 4, used for 3D OSnap on off. F5, function key 5, isoplane top, right and left on or off. F6, function key 6, used for dynamic UCS on or off. F7, function key 7, used for grid on or off. F8, function key 8, for ortho mode on or off. F9, for snapping on or off. F10, it is used for polar tracking on or off to make angular. F11, it is used for object tracking on or off. F12, this key is used for dynamic view of dimension in cursor on or off. So as we have discussed the functional keys, let's talk about some shortcut keys that are used in AutoCAD. First of all, Ctrl plus 0, it clears the screen. Then Ctrl plus 9, it hides or shows the command window. ESC, it means the escape button in your keyboard. It can release from command or deselect an object. Ctrl plus Z, it means you can undo anything. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Control plus S, as we know, in every application it is used for save. Control plus L to create a new file. So these are some basics. It's all in this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to watch the complete list of tutorials, well, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you all have learned many basics regarding AutoCAD. See you in the next video. Thank you.